Hello students, welcome to our class and start our learning with Let's Learn. And our today's topic is magnetic field lines, magnetic field due to the current in a solenoid. What is a solenoid? Just look at this picture. This is the solenoid. This look like as a spring. In a spring there are the multiple loops, multiple turns in a spring, same as the solenoid having the multiple loops, 1 2 3 4 number of loops here. That means the solenoid, a coil with many circular closed turns of the insulated copper wire, is a solenoid. These are the turns 1 2 3 4. Understand? So let's move on our topic. If we flow the current through the solenoid, if we flow the current through this solenoid, you can see here this is a battery from which we flow the current in the solenoid. Then the current flow in this solenoid and the magnetic field produced, the magnetic field lines produced here, you can see these are the magnetic field lines, and each turns of the solenoid, that means these are the turns, multiple turns of the solenoid is a current carrying circular loop. Understand? When we flow the current through the solenoid, then the magnetic field follow the right hand thumb rule, as we studied in earlier lecture. Here this is a straight line conducting wire, and the magnetic field lines produced here, they follow the right hand thumb rule, same as in a circular loop the magnetic field line produced, they follow the right hand thumb rule. That means the direction of the current and flowing current and the direction of the magnetic field line follow the right hand thumb rule. Same as in a solenoid also, the produced magnetic field lines, they follow the right hand thumb rule. That means the direction of the magnetic field lines and the direction of the current, they are same as a right hand thumb rule. So if the current flows through this solenoid, then the magnetic field line produce, and the direction of the magnetic field lines from the outside of the solenoid, these magnetic field lines in the outside of the solenoid, in the below of the solenoid, these are the outside of the solenoid, the direction of the magnetic field lines is the north to south in the outside of the solenoid, but inside of the solenoid the direction of the field lines is south to north. Just see, I explain you in our earlier lecture. I will explain to you about the circular loop. Just consider this is your phase. Just consider this is your phase. This turn, this is your phase, and the magnetic field lines just enters towards your phase. So this is our south pole. I have explained in the earlier lecture. If we consider this is our phase and the magnetic field lines goes from outside of this phase, then this is the north pole, this will be the north pole. But in this case, in this figure, you can see the magnetic field lines, these are the magnetic field lines that enters towards your phase. So this is our south pole. Same as in the solenoid also. Just consider if you look at from this side, that means where S is written, from this side the direction of the current is the clockwise direction. You can see here in this battery, here the plus terminal and the current flow from this side. That means the current flow inside from through the solenoid in this direction to the this direction. So if you look from this side, the direction of the current is a clockwise direction. So this is the, you can say this is the south pole. This solenoid works as a bar magnet, because in the bar magnet, one side of the bar magnet works as a south pole and other side is a north pole. Same as in a solenoid, one side is a south pole and other side is a north pole, but where the direction of the current is the clockwise direction, then that side is the south pole. And in look at this side, that means in the side of the north pole, here the direction of the current is the anti-clockwise. You can see like this, anti-clockwise. This is a north pole. One thing again, in the south pole, the from the outside of the solenoid, the magnetic field lines enters from the south pole, enters from the south pole. Just see in the in below this solenoid, the magnetic field lines from the outside, this is your solenoid, and from the outside of the solenoid, the magnetic field line just enters in the south pole. So this is your south pole, and inside the solenoid, the direction of the magnetic field lines is the south to north, and outside of the solenoid, the direction of the magnetic fields north to south. Below here, north to side, outside of the solenoid, direction of the magnetic field lines north to south, and inside the solenoid, the direction of the magnetic field lines south to north. Understood? And this solenoid works as a bar magnet. This is, if we place the configuration of the magnetic field line and the orientation of the magnetic field lines are same in this case. The magnetic, if we keep the magnet as same as the solenoid, then that means here the south pole and the north pole, here also south pole and north pole, then you can see the magnetic field and the direction of the magnetic field line in the solenoid and in the bar magnet are same, the direction of same. So all the configuration and the orientations of the solenoid magnetic field line in the solenoid are similar to the magnetic field line, direction of the magnetic field line in the bar magnet. The properties, so the properties of the magnetic field lines of solenoid are similar to the magnetic, these are the magnetic field lines of the solenoid are same as the magnetic field lines of the bar magnet. I hope you understood. If you have any comment, if you have any doubt, you can message me. Just revise it. If we flow the current through the solenoid, then the magnetic field line produced, and the direction of the magnetic field lines outside of the solenoid is north to south, and inside of the solenoid is south to north. Understand? And one side of the solenoid works as a south pole and other side of the solenoid works as a north pole. In the south pole, the direction of the current is clockwise, and in the north pole, from the side of the north pole, the direction of the current is anti-clockwise. So this is our solenoid versus bar magnet. If you have any comment, please comment on my Google Classroom, and using this code of the Google Classroom to get homework, notes and the solutions. Thank you very much.